Welcome to Sri Lanka's premier sports channel. We are bringing to you live the Inter-University Rugby Championship semi-finals between University of Colombo and University of Kelaniya. On the purple stripe, the University of Colombo as they turn things over, and for University of Kelaniya, it's the light blue strips as the game has started just 2 minutes, and joining me in commentary is Arvin. A very good evening, Arvin. Because this is the third infringement on the trot, and yet again the big man takes the ball into contact. This is Dilum Veragoda. Veragoda gives it, and that's the first try coming in for the University of Kelaniya. Colombo rather. Praveen Vikash, the number 3 for University of Colombo, scoring the first try.
And now University of Colombo need to press the slim advantage that they have early into the first half. And it's the skipper, Diksha Gunasinghe, with the boot. Not the toughest of assignments, but very costly if it goes awry.
Just outside the 22 meters is the conversion with an angle around 23 meters with the angle. Gunasinghe has plenty of distance and the direction as well, and that's 7 points to nil. Ball being turned over and knocked on. Here's the number 6 taking the ball into contact. Good couple of tackles coming in from the University of Kelaniya, but somehow do manage to keep possession. This is the try scorer, the number 3, taking the ball into contact. Inches close is the Colombo players, and the number 1 went upright, and the try has been scored, and the second try for the University of Colombo. It's the number 2, Ketaka Koluboila.
Just around 9 minutes remaining, and here's Gunasinghe with the boot.
Readies his kick up, and right through the middle goes Diksha Gunasinghe, and that's a really good conversion from just outside the 22 meters.
And here was the try scorer for University of Colombo. This time it's been collected cleanly. That rolling maul
has been sacked illegally, and advantage being played in favor of the University of Colombo. And inches away, the big men. That's Kolubo late again. Here's Diksha Gunasinghe. Gunasinghe trying to go by himself. Inches away, and Vavita gives it out wide, and the number 15 gives it out to the number 11. And the number 11 goes right under the post as well. Disura Chandrasekhara, and under the post try for the University of Colombo, and that's the third try coming in for them.
And here's Diksha Gunasinghe, the skipper again with the boot. He's been successful so far, and he is yet again 2 more points on the board for University of Colombo. 21-0 reads the scorecard as halftime has been called.
The first half, their forwards play has been what has been prominent in this first half. Hello and welcome back to the second half of the Inter-University second quarter final between University of Colombo and the University of Kelaniya.
Very
restart goes the 10 meters collected by Colombo. Vavita.
Who's sniffing danger here.
And Vavita feeds in. And ball being secured, ball being turned over rather in the face of Kelaniya players, and advantage will be played in favor of University of Kelaniya. There again, the big men taking the ball into contact, but good work at ruck time. Penalty in favor of the University of Kelaniya. Quickly taken, and the ball has been held up, but ball available for the University of Kelaniya. And advantage being played in favor of them, the Kelaniya yet again. And the try has been scored. Beautifully worked.
They're making those meters, that is for sure. The forwards are having a very busy day in the office.
Tries to roll. And Vavita.
Obstruction might be the call here.
Gives it out to the number 8. The try has been scored. Initial movement. And that's...
The order is getting taller by the minute for the University of Kelaniya. And here's the skipper from the University of Colombo once again with the boot. Unfailing so far. First conversion attempt of the second half. Once again finds his mark, and it's 2 more points on the board for the University of Colombo. 28-5 is the score.
University of Colombo have an opportunity, and that will be the game. Lightning is the call from referee Alexander, and the right call as well. Correctly, there was lightning seen all over